Only 5 officially licensed Star Wars campers will be made, featuring a fully immersive Imperial interior. Only 5 Star Wars-themed toy factory vans will be produced. Ducato-based DA VINCI camper uses a Darth Vader design theme. Amenities include bed, fridge, microwave, toilet, and solar options. Star Wars is one of the largest intellectual properties in the media space, and so it should be no surprise that many vehicle builders are eager to orbit within its gravitational pull. Toy Factory, a Japanese outfit known for turning work vans into rolling hotel suites, just snagged a deal to produce Star Wars-themed campers. Named the DA VINCI 6.0 Star Wars Edition, the camper van isn't just another themed wrap job. It's a purpose-built mobile suite designed for a handful of affluent fans. Specifically, 5 of them, who want to arrive at the theater in unmistakable style. Toy Factory already has experience with licensed projects. The company previously produced Disney-themed campers, so this isn't entirely new territory. But this marks its first direct tie-in with Lucasfilm, expanding its reach into a galaxy that, at least commercially, has few limits. Rather than lean into cartoonish colors and characters, this new van looks like it's bent toward the dark side. It's not quite Darth Vader's personal ride, but perhaps something his devoted fanbase, or a Sith Lord on sabbatical, might approve of. Based on the Fiat Ducato L3H2, the DA VINCI measures 5,995 mm, 236 in, long, 2,100 mm, 82.7 in, wide, and 2,620 mm, 103.1 in, tall. Power comes from a 2.2-liter multi-jet 3-turbo diesel making 180 horsepower, 134 kilowatts, and 332 lb-ft, 450 Nm, of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic and front-wheel drive. The van seats 4 and sleeps 2. It also comes with a 90-liter diesel tank, which should cover plenty of ground between fill-ups, even if there's no hyperspace involved. The cabin is where the most important bits are, though. The palette is very clearly Imperial. Metallic black surfaces blend well with red-stitched black leather. White accent lighting mimics corridor illumination aboard a Star Destroyer, and the sum is what the designers call a dark intimidation motif. Notably, there aren't any Star Wars characters in the van, and that's intentional to keep the space feeling more mature. Amenities include a permanent rear bed, detachable dining table, a 70-liter refrigerator, a microwave, a stainless sink, a household-style AC unit, a roof ventilator, dual auxiliary batteries, a 1500W inverter, and a waterless Clasana toilet system. Optional upgrades include lithium-ion batteries, flexible solar panels, an around-view camera system, front and rear Alpine dashcams, and a 19-inch television. Pricing, as you would expect, is steep. It starts at 21,870,000 yen, roughly $140,000 at current exchange rates. And with only 5 units planned, buyers will need to enter a lottery that kicked off on October 30, 2025.